Welcome to today's episode. Amy, we're diving into international taxes for U.S. expats.
Hi, Stephen. Yes, it's a complex but fascinating topic, especially for Americans abroad.
Absolutely. So many U.S. taxpayers living overseas don't realize their tax obligations.
Right, the U.S. taxes citizens on worldwide income, even if they live overseas. That surprises a lot of folks.
I've heard the IRS is auditing expats more than ever recently. What's driving that?
Yes, starting around 2017, audits of expatriates increased significantly. The IRS wants compliance on foreign accounts and income.
That sounds intimidating. What's the best way for expats to stay compliant?
Filing the right forms is crucial. Forms like 1040 with schedules, FBAR, FATCA disclosures, even forms for foreign trusts and businesses.
FBAR and FATCA confuse me. Can you simplify those?
Sure. FBAR is a report of foreign bank accounts if the total overseas balances exceed $10,000. FATCA involves reporting foreign assets on tax returns.
So missing those could trigger penalties?
Exactly. Penalties can be huge, so the IRS encourages disclosure through programs like the Streamlined Filing Compliance.
Tell me more about that.
It's an IRS program allowing eligible expats to catch up on unfiled returns with reduced penalties to come clean safely.
Sounds like a lifeline. Now, what about the difference between a tax attorney and a CPA for expats?
Great question. CPAs handle accounting and tax filings, but tax attorneys offer legal protections and can represent clients in disputes.
So if the IRS calls, you want a tax attorney?
Absolutely. Attorney-client privilege protects your communications. CPAs don't have that privilege.
That's a powerful reason to choose a firm offering both services, right?
Yes, having tax attorneys and CPAs under one roof gives you comprehensive help, from filings to legal defense.
There's also mention of complicated topics like cross-border structures and trusts.
Yes, international business owns tax traps if not structured properly. Trusts and estates differ globally, so planning's key.
And I saw something about cryptocurrency disclosures too.
Right? Crypto assets owned overseas must be reported too. The IRS is very focused on that area lately.
It feels like a lot for one person to tackle.
Definitely. That's why specialized firms help expats navigate all these complexities confidently.
Can you share a story where expert help really made a difference?
Sure, one client had a foreign audit and had to amend U.S. returns fast. Expert help saved them hundreds of thousands.
Wow, that's huge. What about people who miss filing for years?
Many digital nomads and expats have. The streamlined procedures help them avoid penalties by voluntarily disclosing.
This must be comforting for those anxious about IRS scrutiny.
Yes, and also for families worried about estate planning across borders.
So, to sum up, expats should file properly, consider legal as well as accounting advice,
And use programs like the Streamlined Disclosure to fix past issues without heavy penalties.
plus stay informed about rules on foreign accounts, crypto, trusts, and cross-border business.
Exactly, Stephen. Tax laws are complex, but with the right team, expats can stay compliant and reduce risks.
Amy, thanks for breaking that down so clearly. It's been enlightening.
Thank you for having me. Expat taxes may be tough, but knowing your options helps a lot.
For everyone listening, if you live abroad or deal with international finances, consider expert help. Until next time, keep your taxes straight and stay curious.